Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Lean ground turkey truly is a fantastic protein choice, lean and incredibly versatile for so many meals. It's packed with nutrients and offers a lighter alternative to heavier meats, making it great for your health goals. However, many people struggle to make it taste great, often finding it a bit dry or bland. We'll show you how to cook it perfectly, transforming it into a juicy, flavorful base for countless delicious and nutritious dishes you'll love. Before you even think about heat, proper preparation is key. First, break up your ground turkey thoroughly in the pan. This helps it cook evenly and browns beautifully. Don't underestimate the power of seasoning at this stage. It's crucial for truly infusing flavor right from the start, not just at the end. A great base includes salt, fresh black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, which are versatile for almost any recipe you might cook. Now for the cooking itself. Start with a hot pan over medium-high heat. A little bit of oil, like olive oil, can help prevent sticking and promote browning. When you add the turkey, spread it out and resist the urge to stir it constantly. Letting it sit undisturbed for a few minutes allows a delicious, caramelized brown crust to develop, which adds so much depth of flavor. Cook until all the pink is gone, then you can drain any excess liquid. Once your turkey is beautifully browned, it's time to truly elevate its flavor. This is where you can add your aromatics, like finely diced onions, bell peppers, or carrots, letting them soften and infuse the meat with their sweetness. Don't forget fresh or dried herbs and spices. They can completely transform the dish for Italian, Mexican, or Asian-inspired meals. A little splash of broth or a spoonful of tomato paste also prevents dryness and adds incredible depth and richness. Your perfectly cooked lean ground turkey is now ready for countless delicious possibilities. It's fantastic in tacos or burritos, adds incredible protein to pasta sauces, makes a healthier chili, or becomes a satisfying topping for salads and bowls. For safety, always ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 or 4 days, ready for quick and easy meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.